Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So let's see this MCQ question from Math Olympiad. So this is a little bit tricky. So let's see option A. So here we have to find the square root of 81, whether this is true or not. So let's see if we have the equation kind of x square is equal to 81. Now in this kind of equation, we can say x is equal to plus 9. So this can be the solution of this equation, or x equal to negative 9 or minus 9. So this can be the solution for this equation. So whenever we write this kind of equation, there can be two solutions. One is positive and other is negative. But let's see. Here we have square root of 81. So this is radical symbol. Okay, always remember this is radical symbol. So wherever we have radical symbol, that means it refers to only principal square root. Okay, radical symbol is always equal to the principal square root. So now how to find the principal square root? So what is the principal square root? Principal square root is nothing but the non-negative non-negative square root. Okay, so what will be the square root of 81, which is non-negative? It will be 9. Okay, so as this is a radical symbol, that means it's a principal square root, the answer will be 9. That means option A is incorrect. Okay, now let's see option B. So when we raise any power to another power, we multiply the exponent. So this is our rule. So let's see option B, x raised to the power 12 raised to the power 18, which is equal to x raised to the power 12 into 18, which is equal to x raised to the power 216. Okay, so that's definitely means that x raised to the power 216 is not equal to x raised to the power 30. That means option B is also incorrect. Now let's see option C, whether it's true or not. So 5x raised to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 upon 5x. So whenever we have negative exponents, that means we are taking the reciprocal of the base. Okay, reciprocal of the base. So what is the rule here? Okay, a raised to the power minus n is equal to 1 upon a raised to the power of n. So x raised to the power of minus 1 will be 1 upon x. So 5 into x raised to the power of minus 1 is equal to 5 upon x. That means this is also not true. Now let's see option D. So we have left hand side and right hand side. So let's simplify first the left hand side. So is equal to minus 2 into minus x plus 1 and x plus 1 upon 32. So let's simplify here. 16 2s are 32. So here we have minus x plus 1. How can we write it? 1 minus x, and simply we can write 1 plus x as this way also. Divide by 16. Now we know that 1 minus x into 1 plus x is equal to, it's something like a minus b into a plus b, which can be written as a square minus b square. So what is the square of 1? 1. And what is the square of x? Minus x square divided by 60. So this is our left hand side. Now let's see right hand side. So what is the right hand side here? 1 minus x square divided by minus 2 raised to the power of 4 is equal to, let's see, how can we write 1 minus x square? So this negative sign, just keep it aside. 2 into 2 into 2 into negative, correct? Because we have it's a power 4. So we can write this negative sign over here. So minus 1 upon x square divided by 16. Okay. Now our LHS is equal to RHS. That means option 4 is true. So this is your answer. So this kind of questions test your fundamental understanding of algebra. For such amazing questions, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.